Hey there, and welcome back to Filipina Landlord in America YouTube channel. Let's be real. Have you ever tried to impress someone and felt like it completely fell flat? Don't worry, we've all been there. Today, we're diving into 15 things that don't impress people the way you think they do. These are common traps we fall into, believing they'll make us look cool, smart, or successful, but spoiler alert, they usually don't. Stick around till the end because I'll also share what actually earns respect and admiration. Let's jump right in. 15 things that don't impress people, but you think they do. We all want to be liked, admired, and respected, but sometimes the things we do to impress others have the opposite effect. In fact, the harder we try, the less authentic and relatable we may seem. Let's dive deep into 15 common behaviors or habits that may feel impressive on the surface, but often fall flat or even backfire. Number 1. Bragging about wealth it doesn't impress. Constantly talking about how much money you make, the luxury items you own, or your expensive lifestyle might grab attention initially, but it rarely earns respect. Most people value how wealth is used to create positive impact rather than how it's flaunted. Bragging often signals insecurity and a desire for validation. What truly impresses people? Demonstrate humility and generosity. Let your financial success speak for itself through your actions, supporting causes you care about, helping others in need, or investing in meaningful experiences. People admire those who stay grounded despite their success. Number 2. Constant name-dropping it doesn't impress. Mentioning every famous or influential person you know can come across as trying too hard to validate your importance. Relationships are meant to be authentic, not transactional. People may start to question if you value others for who they are or for what they can do for your image. What truly impresses people? Build genuine connections. When discussing your relationships, focus on the value they bring to you personally or professionally rather than their status. Highlight what you've learned from them instead of just their name. Number 3. Overloading conversations with accomplishments it doesn't impress. While sharing your achievements can inspire others, monopolizing conversations with your success can seem self-centered. People may tune out if they feel they're being lectured instead of engaged in a two-way exchange. What truly impresses people? Be a great listener. Ask about others' experiences and goals. When you share your accomplishments, do so with the intent to add value or inspire, not to outshine. A balanced conversation builds deeper connections. Number 4. Being too busy all the time it doesn't impress. Bragging about how packed your schedule is can make you seem unapproachable or even disorganized. It might also signal that you're prioritizing productivity over meaningful relationships. What truly impresses people? Show that you value your time and theirs. Prioritize what matters most and set healthy boundaries. Demonstrating that you can balance work and personal life while staying present in the moment impresses far more than just being perpetually busy. Number 5. Excessive use of social media highlights. Why it doesn't impress? Curating a life on social media that seems perfect can alienate others rather than inspire them. Overly polished posts can feel insincere, making people question whether your life offline is as ideal as it seems online. What truly impresses people? Be authentic. Share moments that are meaningful rather than just impressive. People relate more to vulnerability, humor, and realness than perfection. It's the imperfections that often make us human and likable. Number 6. One-upping every story. Why it doesn't impress? Turning every conversation into a competition by sharing how you've done something bigger or better can frustrate others. It diminishes their experiences and makes interactions feel like battles for attention. What truly impresses people? Celebrate others' stories without comparison. Show genuine interest in their experiences and let them have the spotlight. When it's your turn to share, do so in a way that builds on the conversation rather than overtaking it. Number 7. Talking down to others it doesn't impress. Acting superior or belittling others is a sure way to lose respect. Even if you're knowledgeable, condescension makes you seem insecure and unkind. What truly impresses people? True intelligence shines through humility and the ability to explain things without making others feel inferior. Show empathy and kindness, and you'll earn admiration naturally. Number 8. Having an over-the-top luxury lifestyle. Why it doesn't impress? While luxury can be alluring, making it the centerpiece of your identity often comes across as shallow. People admire substance over flashiness, and a life focused solely on materialism may seem empty. What truly impresses people? Show depth by sharing your values, passions, and how you use your resources for good. People are more inspired by meaningful contributions and experiences than by possessions. Number 9. Being a know-it-all, it doesn't impress. Always having to be right or acting like an expert in every conversation can alienate others. It makes you seem closed-minded and unwilling to learn from others. What truly impresses people? Be open to new perspectives. Acknowledge when you don't know something and invite others to share their knowledge. Curiosity and humility go a long way in building trust and respect. Number 10. Showing off your fitness obsession, it doesn't impress. While being fit is admirable, constantly talking about your workout routines, diet, or gym achievements can feel excessive. It may come across as self-absorbed rather than inspiring. What truly impresses people? Let your results speak for themselves. Share your fitness journey when it's relevant and focus on how it's improved your life rather than just the metrics. Inspire others by being supportive of their goals. Number 11. Oversharing personal drama, it doesn't impress. Constantly airing your personal conflicts or struggles can make others uncomfortable or view you as seeking attention. While vulnerability is valuable, oversharing can cross boundaries. What truly impresses people? Share your struggles in a way that highlights resilience and lessons learned. This approach fosters connection and admiration without making others feel burdened. Number 12. Flashy titles and job roles. Why it doesn't impress? While a prestigious title may grab attention, arrogance tied to it can overshadow any admiration. People respect what you do with your position, not just the title itself. What truly impresses people? Lead with actions and humility. Show that you value others regardless of their title and use your position to make a positive difference. Number 13. Obsessing over trends and status symbols. Why it doesn't impress? Chasing every trend or status symbol can make you seem like you're trying too hard to fit in. It doesn't showcase individuality or depth. What truly impresses people? Embrace your unique style and values. Confidence in being yourself is far more impactful than following every trend. Number 14. Being overly competitive, it doesn't impress. Turning every interaction into a rivalry can wear people down. It often signals insecurity rather than strength. What truly impresses people? Show collaboration and encouragement. People admire those who lift others up rather than constantly competing with them. Lastly, number 15. Pretending to be perfect. Why it doesn't impress? Perfection is unrelatable. When you hide your flaws, people may view you as inauthentic or intimidating. What truly impresses people? Be honest about your struggles and how you overcome them. Authenticity fosters connection and respect far more than a flawless facade. In conclusion, true admiration comes from authenticity, kindness, and how you make others feel. Focus less on trying to impress and more on building genuine connections. When you prioritize character over image, you'll leave a lasting and meaningful impression. So there you have it, 15 things that might seem impressive at first, but often miss the mark. Here's the big takeaway. People value authenticity, kindness, and genuine connection way more than flashy displays. Impressing others isn't about showing off, it's about being real and making an impact. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Filipina Landlord in America, for more tips on personal growth and success. Comment below with something you've realized doesn't impress people. It might even help someone else. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep being your amazing, authentic self. See you soon.